thing about STEP is the fact that everybody is here, and it's a fabulous place to reconnect with friends. And it's nice, you know, a significant percentage of startups fail, and I think there's a recognition and a respect among the startups that is still here 4 or 5 years later.
So amazed by how international it is, and then coming to this, and I see a lot of energy, and it's all about like our common human future. So it's really exciting. Yeah.
非常清楚那个当时第二次。
It's super exciting. There's so much momentum at the moment. More money coming in, lots more investment coming into the region. It's just such a buzz.
STEP team have given us incredible 10 years.